helmet can also be yours for just 3000 rupees. So did you guys enjoy the cinematic shots? So let me know in the comment section. And I took the cinematic shots with help of my symbol stand over here. So this is a complete, let me show you guys. This looks so beautiful. Switch on the light. Just look at this. This is a completely a black helmet for the black lovers, and this comes just within 3000 rupees. I got it from, okay, so we'll come to that point later on. I have purchased it online, so the purchase link will be given in the description box. So you are watching Bong Motor Tells, and I am back here with another new video. So we have already done the unboxing thing, and the box is already there in my room. So coming to the box part, the box looks like this. You got a Steelbird helmet badging over here. Let's quickly open it. I got the helmet with two visors. This is the clear one which was attached to the helmet at the stock condition, and I got a like smoky black visor extra that I fitted to the helmet. The helmet was placed right here. This is a thermocol thing for protection, and two like the stickers over the visors that are in the box right now. So let's quickly go to the helmet. So let's come to the helmet. Here it is. It comes with a bag, like a sling bag one. You can carry it with. And so let's open the bag now. So we have unwrapped the helmet, and like it is out of the bag right now. I have fitted the black visor, which looks beautiful. You guys have already watched the cinematic shots, so without wasting any time, let's come to the description of the helmet. So coming to the back side of it, the weight is mentioned. This is 1350 grams, 1.35 kgs. You get this information over here. The weight is 1350 plus 50 grams of the visor, and the model is SBH32, made in India badging. This is ISI certified helmet, and the brand is Steelbird. The model name is Aeronautics. So also you get a spoiler kind of design over here. This is kind of a plastic thing, light plastic, and the rest of it feels premium and hard, to be honest. And you get air vents over here and also over here, like quite common in the other helmets also. And you get a visor lock over here. If you put it down, this is unlocked, and you put it up, you can't open your visor now. So the visor also is like, let me just connect. Oh, this it feels smooth, nothing that tough, and the design is obviously a replica, or like you can call it a copy of showy helmets. Those are pretty expensive, but the design is pretty good at the price point which it provides. I don't know about the shop, but I got it from Amazon.in, and this costed me only 3000 rupees. The padding is also very comfortable and good, all removable paddings over here. And what am I left with? So you get a nose pin, which we call in helmet. This is the nose pin which protects your nose or from kind of wind blast and dust. So let me just wear it for you guys, show you. This is, I'm wearing the helmet. This is XL. So the size I use, like I require, is this is extra large XL in the Steelbird also, and the Exor I used to use, that was also of XL size. And the lock, you can see this is a regular lock you get in helmets. The lock is quite easy to use, but not a double D-ring lock, and you can't even expect at this price range. But the lock is quite good, sturdy, and you don't get double visor, you get a single visor, which looks cool obviously. So guys, that was all about the helmet. I was left with this thing. This is the clear visor which I got. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 500 subscribers, and a really special video of mine is waiting for you guys. I didn't put it earlier also because I was waiting for the right time. So the right time for me is like 500 subscribers. So if we complete it, so I'll put that video live on my channel. So really I'm hoping that you guys make it happen. So see you all in the next video.